Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Khazana. In this video, I am going to show you how to crochet check plaid stitch. For this I am using 4mm crochet hook. Let's begin the video. First take a yarn and make a slip knot. Then make a chain of multiples of 6. I am going to chain 30. I completed my 30 chains. To start our first row, make a double crochet in the 5th chain. Yarn over, insert the hook in the 5th chain. Pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Make a double crochet in the next chain. Yarn over, insert the hook in the next chain. Pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Then make a chain of 3. Skip 3 chains and double crochet in the next 3 chains. Yarn over, skip 3 chains and insert the hook in the next chain. Pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Make double crochet in the next 2 chains. Chain 3. Skip 3 chains and make a double crochet in the next 3 chains. Continue like this all the way across. Chain 3. Skip 3 chains and double crochet in the next 3 chains. Don't finish the last double crochet. Change the color. Change the color at this point. Then make a chain of 4 and turn. To start our second row, then make a double crochet in the skip chains of first row. Yarn over, insert the hook in the skip chain. Pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Make double crochet in the next 2 skip chains. Then chain 3 and make a double crochet in the skip 3 chains of first row. Chain 3 double crochet in the skip chains. Chain 3. Insert the hook in the last stitch. Change the color. Yarn over and pull through both loops. To start our row 3, make a chain of 3. Chain 3 does count as our first double crochet. Turn your work. Then make a double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch. Then make a double crochet and make one more double crochet in the next stitch. Then chain 3 and make a double crochet over the double crochets of first row. then chain 3. Make a double crochets over the green double crochets. Chain 3 and make a double crochets over the green double crochets. Don't finish the last double crochet. Change the color. Make a chain of 4 and turn. Make 3 double crochets over these 3 white double crochets. Chain 3. Make 3 double crochets over these 3 white double crochets. Chain 3. Make 3 double crochets over these 3 white double crochets. Chain 3 and make a slip stitch in the last double crochet. Insert the hook in the last double crochet. Change the color. To start our 5th row, we are going to repeat row 3 and 4. So make a chain of 3. Chain 3 does count as our first double crochet and turn. Make a double crochet over the next 2 blue double crochets. Chain 3 and make 3 double crochets over the next 3 blue double crochets. Continue to repeat row 3 and 4 and make your desired length. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.